inspired the imagination of millions around the world. Now, he's headed for the big screen in his very first movie. Thomas, the Tank Engine.
Who else were you expecting?
Destination Films proudly presents your passport to Thomas and the Magic Railroad.
All aboard!
Important day, Mr. C?
It is a very important day. Out of the way!
But something has gone wrong.
Hello?
Junior, you've got to come here right away.
The sparkle has left the land,
I've run out of gold dust, and because of that, I'm losing my energy as well.
Just hold on, cuz.
and it will take a hero with nerves of steel
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
to bring the magic back.
I'll get you, you blue puffball!
This summer, you're invited to unwind,
This is just like the fun fair.
take a load off,
I don't think you meant to do that. No.
and experience life on the fast track.
Yeehaw!
Losing your sparkle, eh? What perfect timing.
Alec Baldwin,
Got to find more gold dust.
Peter Fonda,
This is your shining time to...
Mara Wilson,
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
and Thomas.
Now that's what I call a perfect landing.
Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This summer, share the wonder with your family.
I'll save a seat for you.
You'll never guess what you'll find in Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volume 1,
Like I know what we'll find. Ghosts.
Ghost?
along with a cluster of clues,
You found a clue, Scooby-Doo.
high-speed chases,
Oh no!
and one big chicken?
This mystery is really getting mysterious.
Join Scooby-Doo, Shaggy,
Someone mentioned me.
and the rest of the mystery gang in Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volume 1 on DVD.
Like wow.
4 unbelievable masterpieces of mystery
Very interesting.
with clues around every corner.
That only happens in movies.
I'll leave it to Daphne to pick the wrong door.
So grab a Scooby Snap and get ready for this action-packed DVD. Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volume 1. Look for it only on DVD. Also look for these other great Scooby-Doo movies on DVD. Look for Tom and Jerry Tales only on DVD. It's your favorite mischievous mouse.
Get me, Sir Tom!
And misbehaving cat.
Wow, he's really getting the hang of it.
In 15 all-new cartoons from Tom and Jerry Tales, the new hit TV series that will make you giddy. You'll fall head over heels for some of the funniest episodes ever. This DVD has got more hits than Tom can handle. Look for Tom and Jerry Tales Volume 6 on DVD.
It was a lovely day on the island of Sodor. I think I'll go for a ride, said Thomas. Maybe not. I guess I'll go through after all. Oh, okay. And again.
Introducing Trackmaster RC Thomas at Tidmouth Sheds. With remote control, fun sounds, and changing faces. You never know what's going to happen.
I never know what's going to happen. Oh, good. The sheds. Oh, backwards. Okay. I keep whistling, don't I?
The world of Trackmaster. Now the story's in their hands.
Sprout, the only 24-hour preschool channel that parents and kids share together.
So, enjoy. Well, that was a Super Mario movie production. Hope you enjoyed. Hey, did you get me the Coca-Cola?
Now that was a Little Movies presentation. Did you enjoy it? Led by Prince Lee.
Well, that was a Super Mario movie production. Hope you enjoyed. Hey, did you get me the Coca-Cola?
Now that was a Little Movies presentation. Did you enjoy it? Led by Prince Lee.